this tutorial, you will know how to add a payment method to your Gate.io account. So the first thing what you have to do is to click on the profile button, which is located in the top right corner. So you want to click on that. Once it opens, you will see your profile, and then there is an arrow. So you want to click on this arrow. Once you are in your profile, then on the left side, you're going to have a tab with different kind of options as the profile, identification, security settings, and etc. But the one that we are looking for is payment settings. So you want to hit on that. Right now we are on my payment settings page, and as you can see, I don't have any payment methods right now. So in order to add the payment method, just hit this blue add payment button. So once you choose your currency, then you can click on the payment methods, and these are available payment methods for the chosen currency for the Gate.io. And let's say that we will be targeting USD, and if we hit this, the payment methods could be different. Let's say we want to choose the USD, and then as a payment method it will be PayPal, so you want to click on that. So for example, if it's PayPal, then just put the account number of PayPal or the account name, and then put the one-time Google verification code from your app and agree to the terms. And then once you hit the next button, just continue for the steps. And this is the way how you can add any payment method to the Gate.io.